What's up guys, Josh from Extreme Truck and Auto. I want to talk to you about this headlight. This thing is awesome. I got it from NightBuddy.com over Christmas. I love this headlight. It's one of the best purchases I've made. I'm gonna say it's the best thing since sliced bread, because if you guys come in here, I do not have this light on. You kind of see it's not exactly lit up, but if I turn on this headlight, it lights everything up, literally everything. It's incredible. It high, low, left, right. So yeah, I got this on. One thing you will notice is it's got a couple different settings. It's got your high, a lower setting. It has red, which is good for nighttime. It doesn't kill your night vision as much. So if you're using it camping or whatever. And then on the side, you have this kind of focus spot. So if you like really need to peek into like door panel or something like that, it helps more so than the widespread does. One other cool function is, if you notice, I can swing my hand past my head and turn this light on and off. Now, when it comes to the automotive side of things, this isn't really useful because sticking your head in and out of tight spaces and stuff like that will turn it on and off, and it gets pretty annoying. If you guys are thinking about getting one of these, go ahead and pick them up. I love this thing. I use it every day. But yeah, just wanted to shoot a quick video over this NightBuddy headlamp. Cannot recommend it enough. I'm gonna be picking up another 3 of these things probably, leaving one in each car, and then one at home, one here at work, so that way I'm set. If you guys like this kind of product overview or something, maybe we can keep doing one here or there. Love this headlight. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.